Hi, I'm Joe Silvera from Silvera Jewelry School in Berkeley, California. And I get to try today the Wolf Trimmer Adapter for wax tools to be used with the Jayne Redman Rotational Work Ring System by Swanstrom. Let's check it out. So I'm going to start putting it together for the first time. So this is the rotational work ring system, so part of the complete set that Jayne Redman and Swanstrom sell, and it goes onto a mounting plate like so. I have it loose right now. This is the adapter for Kate Wolf's wax trimmer and other great tools, and this is what I'm going to use to hold my flex shaft. So I'm going to put the Swanstrom circle clamp adapter in there first, which is then going to hold this little guy, which actually is going to go this way to hold my flex shaft for while I'm lathing to give me more control. So let's see, we're just going to rotate this thing over. I've got it loose right now, so that's pretty easy. And then I'm just going to line up the holes and screw that in. There's a piece of saw blade stuck on my screwdriver because it's kind of magnetic. Now I'm going to do the other side. So far it's pretty easy to put together, kind of intuitive. Okay, so now I'm going to add the wax trimmer adapter. So, with these little brass nuts facing up and the whole system upside down, I'm going to slip that in like that. And I want to make sure that this little set screw for where the trimmer adapter goes in for the flex shaft, so basically where the flex shaft goes in, is here and accessible. So then I can just tighten these down and they'll hold the adapter in place. You can just do that by hand. Now I'll flip that over. I'll just show here there is a little tightening nut right there. So I can put this wrench in and flip that into position, and what I'll be doing is just tightening it like that underneath. So that's great because I can change the angle that I want to work at and keep it in place that way. Maybe I can even just leave it kind of loose to, kind of move it as I need to. But it's super handy, and yeah, that was easy to tighten it and level it. You'll need the Wolf adapter for your flex shaft. And you'll need a number 30 handpiece. You need that anyway for holding a wax rod for doing your lathing with the wax collet. And then I'll slip the adapter over that, so I can set that in there like so. And I leave the chuck exposed so I can easily take out the rods and put in different things. Here all I'm going to do is tighten the screw that holds that assembly in place. So I'm just going to make sure that that's level, and I'll just tighten that down. Good. All right, so finger tight is good. I might be careful about using a wrench just because this is plastic here, but that is really secure. That feels great. I can drop in my wax collet that's holding my rod, and then I can use my chuck key. Let's see how that goes. Oh, nice, good clearance. I'll go ahead and close that, and I can turn it, do one other side there. Okay, let's see what this puppy can do. Nice. All right, at the ring size, let's trim out the outside. It's very nice and steady to work with, so let's just bring this to a nice usable size and then we'll trim off this ring. And there is the ring turned off of the rod. Well, that was fun. I like that tool. And I'll be adding that to my toolbox over here at my wax bench. I found it easy to use, easy to put together. It was really nice for my hands. I have pain in my hands from arthritis, so it was easier to work without too much tension, which could cause more pain. So if you don't already have pain in your hands, it could be a good idea to have this so you don't develop them. Remember, work smart so that you can keep working later. Well, I guess if you liked the video, I would sure appreciate it if you can like it and subscribe to us for more fun content like this from Silvera Jewelry School. Thank you so much to Jayne Redman and Kate Wolf and to Swanstrom for letting me try your tool today. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So I guess there's nothing left but to brush all this wax dust off of myself and to say goodbye. And rotational work ring, bench ring. Hi, I'm Joe Silvera and I'm from Silvera Jewelry School in Berkeley, California. And today I get to try the Wolf trimmer adapter for the Jayne Redman Rotational Work Ring System by Swanstrom. That's a mouthful. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a try.